Welcome back everybody to our update about Open price pulling back as we discussed from yesterday. However, there is one technical level that we might have the rest of the week to confirm a reversal and of course a new high. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is only for educational purposes and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, watch closely what's Open doing right now. We've got interesting level that we should hold, which is the $8.44. Yes, we broke this flag down in the pre-market. However, we have a really good test over the $9.44, the current resistance, and the support that we reverse from before even the test from the support. I was watching this support reversal and test, and of course I missed this trade on buying the dip here because the price didn't pull back there, because we have FOMO buying from the bottom. Usually we have FOMO buying from the top when the price go to another high, but for Open we have a different scenario. We have some traders buying before even the support, just in case, because they think that the price would go up. So this is a good one of the signals that we have a lot of buyers around each dip and even buying before the dip, and that's what happened today at the market open. The price reversed even before the 844. So what we expect by tomorrow and the rest of the week, we have an interesting level that we should break, which will give us the first signal for reversal, which is the 944. Today we tested twice and we didn't break it. Right now the volume is lowering down. This is okay because we have the pullback around the $8.44. But as long as we hold here, will be good for accumulation, and after that a breakout from the 944. We might have this test by tomorrow, so we have to keep alert around this level. And of course after that we have the 1090 almost around the 11 and the 1188 after we break this level. So now just watch out for the $8.44 because it's the technical level that we should hold for, and this is where the huge buyer load up on this level back in the 11th September. As you can see here, we have a huge jump after we test this level from below, and this is again another test around the 17th of September, almost 1 week, and here almost another week we almost tested this level. So almost every week we test this level, revisit, and then we might have the breakout next time. If we held here for this week, this will give us a big significant push for the next time when we have another buyer, will give us another jump toward the $10.90 and the 1188 and almost the 1330 for the next jump. Let me know in comment section below what you think the price will go for the next jump. Are we gonna have straightforward toward the 1330, which will give us almost 50% jump, or we're gonna have a little bit more jump, just 15 or 17% around the 11, almost the 11, which will give us around the double top before another 13 to 30. So this depends on the news, for my opinion. If we need another jump of 50%, we need major news hit the market to give us this jump. But in the meantime, we have to hold the 844, and of course the other level, the most important level, if we have insignificance or significant seller, will give us a jump toward the 750. I will watch for the 750 and 850 around this level for retest for those technical zones if we have a big seller. In the meantime, guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and of course see you by tomorrow on our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open daily, guys. Live streaming to discuss the market, and before that on our Discord and Patreon, where we discussed yesterday many stocks, or today in pre-market we discussed two stocks really did a good job for jumping. AGRI, we discussed it around the $6.19, and of course went toward the 7 and 9 and over the 10. That's why we discuss it again to take profit, and of course have another inch around the 13 and 17, and we hit the 18. And the other one we did a really good job for trading before the market open, guys, BOXL, which hit the 5 and 7, and then we warned our hunter about the resistance around the 766. And of course this one was really great for today as well. We discussed in the pre-market watch list. Every day we do a watch list, so if you want to have access to this watch list, the link comes section below to our Discord and Bitcoin. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.